All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Firstly, eliminate all power and turn the washing machine off at the wall. Remove the screw, holding down the casing on the back. Next, we'll need to access the inside, so remove the screws that hold the lid in place. Then, lift the lid off. To remove the suppressor, gently push the suppressor up from the inside and pull the cable up on the outside as shown. It will then unclip and you can push it out of the washing machine. If needed, take a photo so you have a reference of the original wire placements. Then, remove the wiring as shown. With your new part, connect the wiring as per before and thread everything back into the washing machine. Slide the casing down to clip everything in place. Then put the washing machine lid back on and re-screw the screws back in. And then that's it, your new washing machine mains cable power lead wire is all set to go.